Alright, so here we are. We're going to the Brightline station. This is my first time, me and my daughter, going on a Brightline. We had a 4-day Orlando trip, 5-day Orlando trip, and my wife is dropping us off. And the reason why we're going back is actually it's my work day today, so I called off today, and then my daughter has to go to school tomorrow. So my daughter and my wife and my other daughter and my mother-in-law are staying till Tuesday evening. So we're heading there now. It's going to take us right now maybe 15 minutes to get to the Brightline station. Hey guys, we just arrived at the Brightline station. It took us 20 minutes near the airport. Wasn't so bad. Traffic wasn't bad at all. We just got here. It was just a smooth ride. So now we're just gonna, my wife just drop us off, and so now we're just gonna go and grab our luggage. So our wife just dropped us off. So now we're heading to the Brightline station. Well, we're here at the station. We're just gonna go in. Going upstairs. Oh shoot, just fell, almost fell. This is my daughter, my oldest daughter. All right, just got up the escalators and we're gonna go around. Oh, by the way, this is the Orlando Brightline station. Then we're gonna head up on another flight of escalators. Here we are. And we have some folks here. So here's some waiting areas here. I guess you can sit down and wait for your station. Our train leaves at, oh my God, you stepped on my foot. Our train leaves at 9:20. Now we're trying to find, no, look at your ticket and see. It says that. No. Just giving you a view of like the lobby. You have lots of benches here. And then I believe these are maybe what, charging stations right here. Yes, that's where everybody's going. This is the security checkpoint. So here we're going through the, this is the baggage check. Do we have to stand here? Hold on, no frame, no firearm, no knives, no tasers, no scissors. Oh, we're good. Security checkpoint. So after we go through the ticket check-in, now we have to place our bags for security. So this is all tracks. So we're gonna check the board and see what it says.
No, go up here.
Excuse me. on time. So okay, so I mean, it's not really an issue. So basically, the next train leaves at 9:20, which is our train. And so I see number 407. This is a big sign that says 407. And then we see track 1 up here.
Track 2.
And track 2 by the elevators. So we're not sure which track number our train is going to depart from. So that's what we're trying to clear up, just to make sure. So our train leaves in approximately 50 minutes. All right, so we're just going to clear that up first. Ask one of the workers here what track number that we're supposed to be on, because there's 2 tracks, right? So he told us that when the train comes in, I guess they're not sure what track they will be on. So once the train comes in, they'll announce the train number, because each train leaves at a designated time. So you can see here our train leaves at 9:20. That is train number 537. So what they will do is announce the train number and tell us what track that train will be on. And so we'll just head to either track 1, right? Which is somewhere, I think, maybe over here. Because I see exit over here for the train, and then also I do see some doors here that says track 2. So that's it. So we'll just wait and chill. We have 45 minutes before we leave. So this is just the lounge area. People are eating. There's also merchandise here and restrooms, and also they have conference rooms too. Conference rooms right in here, and then this is another waiting area. So Jay, let's go ahead and sit down. They also have a play area for kids. They have a big large screen TV. I guess it's the play area, lounge area, so you can lounge, relax. Hey guys, so here's the train station. So we just got off the elevator. Not the elevator, the escalator went downstairs. Actually, we took the stairs to get here quicker. And here's the train here. So each train has a coach number. I think from 1 all the way through 12. So this is our coach number right here. So I'm getting on right now. And we're on 5C. And so here are the seats, kind of similar to lights work or what? Okay, that's good. And we have signs up here.
Attention, Brightline guests. Drive blue with the body moment to Miami. It is scheduled to stop in West Palm Beach.
We have outlets down here, right there, and also back behind our chairs. Well, behind our chairs right here. waiting area right here. So each time you approach the door automatically opens.